Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for Take. So we got yet another OxygenOS Launcher update version 16.6.11, which comes with the inbuilt counter glow effect, giving an amazing glass edge look to different elements on the home screen and lock screen. It also brings smoother animations and overall more fluid experience. Few days ago, some devices like OnePlus Nord 5 and 12 are received new SOTA updates, and after installing them, counter glow option was removed from texture blur setting under home screen and lock screen customization. Today, we finally have the solution to bring it back on devices where this option disappeared after updating to latest OxygenOS 16 build. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I will also show you some launcher bugs along with their solutions. If you find our content useful, then please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now without further delay, let's get started. In our previous video, we shared the OxygenOS Launcher version 16.6.8, which introduces some amazing features. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the detailed review through the iCard and the link given in the description. Now we have the latest OxygenOS Launcher version 16.6.11. Before installing this APK, make sure to check the bug timeline mentioned in this video. Simply download and install the APK. Although this version doesn't bring many new features, it significantly improves the animations, smoothness, and apps opening and closing speeds. After installing this launcher, the overall fluidity feels much faster and touch response is also noticeably better. The new Google search bar with all the latest AI feature is available in this build. If you want the detailed guide on how to use and customize it, make sure to watch the video mentioned earlier. This launcher also includes the built-in counter glow effect, which we will discuss later in the video, so keep watching. So let's talk about the one of the bug of this launcher. If you install this launcher on any OnePlus device running below OxygenOS 16.0.7, you may face the app drawer categories bug. In that case, all the applications will only be categorized into the recently installed and others folder, and you will miss AI-based categories like tools, social, entertainment, and more. This is my OnePlus 12R. After updating it to OxygenOS 16.0.5 v702, the counter glow option disappeared from the home screen and lock screen setting under the texture blur option. To get it back, you simply need to install latest wallpaper and style APK version 16.1.3. Once you install it, you will find the counter glow option under same setting. As you can see, when this toggle is disabled, you won't get the glass-like glowing edges around the home screen elements such as folders, search bar or app drawer. But once you enable it, you will get the beautiful glowing glass effect on the home screen folders, smart sidebar, app drawer search bar, and the app drawer category switch button. It also works on all lock screen shortcuts. However, surprisingly, the lock screen widget don't get the counter glow effect by default. But don't worry, I found a trick to enable it and I will show you that at the end of this video. I also lost the counter glow option on my Nord 5 after updating to OxygenOS 16.0.5 1002. This new wallpaper and style APK should work on most OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16. But unfortunately, when I tried to install it on Nord 5, I got an installation error. Because of that, I couldn't restore the counter glow option through wallpaper and style application. However, if you install the latest OxygenOS launcher that I am showing in this video, it automatically enables an even better looking counter glow effect for most of home screen and lock screen elements. This includes the folder, smart sidebar, app drawer categories button, app drawer search bar, and even all the lock screen widgets. The counter glow effect in this launcher looks much better and gives a proper premium glass-like appearance. Now let's find out why my OnePlus 12R didn't get the counter glow effect on the lock screen widgets after installing the wallpaper and style APK. If you are facing same issues, simply apply any theme other than the default basic OxygenOS theme. After that, add lock screen widgets again and you will notice that all widgets now have beautiful counter glow effect. On my 12R, using both the counter glow option and the new launcher gives me flexibility to enable or disable the effect whenever I want. If you can't install the wallpaper and style APK and you are missing the counter glow option, simply install the latest launcher. It enables the counter glow effect by default without requiring the wallpaper and style application. The only downside of this launcher is AI app categories bug. However, if your device is running with the OxygenOS 16.0.7 or later version, you won't face any kind of issues. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.